In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image in GIMP, a powerful open source image editing tool. Whether you're a graphic design novice or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, tracing an image can be an invaluable skill for enhancing or creating new designs. Let's dive in and get started with these easy to follow steps. First, launch your GIMP application. If you don't have GIMP installed, you can download it from their official website. GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is not only free, but also provides a vast array of features comparable to those found in costly commercial software. Once you've successfully opened GIMP, familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help streamline our process today. Next, our task is to insert the image you want to trace along with a background layer. To do this, go to the File menu in the top left corner and select Open to choose your image. It's often helpful to choose an image with clear outlines as it makes the tracing process easier and more precise. After opening your image, you can add a background layer if desired by going to Layer, then New Layer, and selecting the background color of your choice. This background will help you see the lines more clearly as you work. Now let's focus on the key part of this activity, tracing the image. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find your Layers panel. Make sure you highlight the background layer so you can effectively trace over your image. After selecting it, head over to the toolbox located typically on the left side of the screen and choose the Paintbrush tool. This tool is crucial as it allows you to create smooth lines on your canvas. Once you've selected the paintbrush, look for the settings bar above your working area to adjust the brush size. Choose a size that's suitable for the level of detail in your image. Smaller brush sizes work best for intricate details, whereas larger sizes are better for bold, sweeping lines. Carefully start tracing along the outline of your image. This can take some time and patience, especially if your image has a lot of detail, so don't rush the process. As you continue tracing, you might want to check your progress by clicking on the Hide icon, which looks like an eye, in the Layers panel. This temporarily hides the original image, allowing you to see only your traced lines on the background layer. It's a helpful way to assess how your tracing is shaping up and decide if any adjustments are necessary. And just like that, you're done. With these steps, you've just completed tracing an image in GIMP. This foundational technique can now be used to enhance your digital artwork, improve your design projects, or even for creative experiments. Keep practicing, and you'll master tracing with GIMP in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.